Hello friends, congratulations to all of you on passing the standard 12 science examination and the NEET exam with flying colors. I know that now is a time when you will be exploring various career options in the field of health sciences and medical sciences. So, I am Smita Jaivan, the Dean of the School of Occupational Therapy at the D.Y. Patil Deemed to be University School of OT at Nerul, Navi Mumbai. And I would like to share with you how occupational therapy can be a very attractive career option for you. Those of you who are interested in being in the helping sciences of health and medicine. Occupational therapy is a field of health science which arose after the Second World War because there were a lot of people with injuries, amputations, and neurological conditions who needed to be rehabilitated to go back to their original lives. So, occupational therapy is a science and an art of returning the person who is afflicted with various medical conditions, psychological conditions, back to their original lifestyle and the roles which they were playing prior to their injury. So this is usually done through goal-directed activities which are planned by the therapist meticulously to suit the particular clinical presentation and the weakness which you have, and the particular exercises and activities which will help you to overcome that weakness and go back to your life. There are a lot of graduate programs in occupational therapy throughout the country, and D.Y. Patil is at the forefront of delivering occupational therapy graduate program. After getting a graduate degree in occupational therapy, there are several fields in which you can do your master's degree, such as musculoskeletal sciences, developmental disabilities, neurosciences, community-based rehabilitation, among others. There are always, of course, attractive options to study abroad because the World Federation of OT recognizes the graduates of OT in India as part of their curriculum, which is aligned with their curriculum, and so there are no hassles in working in the United States, in UK, Australia, New Zealand, and what have you. The only thing that you will have to do is, if you want to practice directly, possibly you will have to appear for a licensing exam to practice in the US, which is not so in other countries also. Even in the country, there is an ever increasing demand for the professionals of occupational therapy, and you will be spoilt for choice in the appointment of jobs and as a self-supporting private practitioner of occupational therapy. There will be no free days for you where you can relax and say, no, I'm looking for a job. You will be immediately absorbed into industry, as also work in consultative roles and can work as private practitioners attached to hospitals, to special schools, to normal schools, to rehabilitation centers, and many other choices. So I encourage you to look at occupational therapy as a very viable professional option for you to be able to fulfill your dreams of being a very socially aware and helping professional and a career which will satisfy you and give you all the things that you have ever wanted in life from your career. Thank you.